This bowl from Chick-fil-A, breakfast bowl. I don't know. I've never had it before, but these ladies said it's good. So I'm gonna try it. So nice. It's so nice over here. Beach park. This is what it's looking like. They have these benches underneath the shade. Some are in the shade, some are in the sun. But this is pretty much what it looks like over here. It's called Lido Island Grill. Day 2, we out here on the beach. There's so much people out here on the beach today. So much. So we have this little umbrella right here, and we just set up our spot right here. It's so nice out here today. Yep, it's a good day to be at the beach. This is day 2 for us at the beach. We came yesterday and we're here today just enjoying. We had this Monaco cocktail. This thing is nice. I've never tried it before. They say it's gluten-free. It's premium mixed drink made with vodka and natural flavor and certified colors. That's what they say. I don't know, but it is good. One of my friends, she introduced me to it, so I'm gonna check it out because it was good. This is a mango peach, and it was giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, it's like 9% alcohol, so that's a good percentage. So I had that. I shared some of that with her, and yeah, we're just out here just chilling on the beach, enjoying this beautiful day out here in Sarasota, Florida. So we're in Sarasota. This is like an hour from where I live. We just drove down here yesterday because it's my birthday weekend. Look at these birds, they're just enjoying. We just drove down here for my birthday weekend. My friend, she got an Airbnb because it was her birthday in this month too, so she's still celebrating. So I came along and we're celebrating together and just out here. You don't see me. Yeah. You don't see me.
Yeah, they can't see all that.
What the sun is looking like. It's so different. Different from Jamaica. Bedroom number 1. It's little and cute. Like this. They have beds and sheets and stuff like there. It's like a closet. They have this bamboo thing that closes right there. Have the bathroom here. Someone is in there. And then you have this room. We have 2 beds. It's my bed over there. It's my friend's bed over there. We have our stuff. And it's just nice and cute. Nothing too fussy. Nothing too fancy. You have the same door for the closet bamboo thing. Then out here. We have the towels right there. Then out here. We have the living room.
The one, yep.
Right here. And just a TV right here.
With
Me and you.
Kareem.
And they have this right here. Then we have the kitchen. And back here. You have the laundry room. You have washer and dryer, so you can wash your clothes, so you don't have to take all your dirty clothes back home. They have shampoos. They have conditioners that you can use, but don't take the people's stuff. Yeah, it's nice. They give you laundry detergent also. You can wash your clothes, and it's very nice. Yeah. It is nice. Nice little getaway. Got some of the alcohol. We have some in the fridge. already. We have some champagne in the fridge because we're gonna be popping bottles because you know it's my birthday weekend. So yeah, we have a nice stove. We're gonna cook. We brought our seasonings and stuff, so we're definitely gonna cook. I like this deep blue on the kitchen cupboards. That is nice. Nice fridge. It's nice. That little seated area over there, nice. Just off the kitchen, they have a little island here, nook where you can sit and eat. Then you have over there where you can chill. It's nice. Also have a dining room area right here where you can eat. It's nice. Shopping, we got strawberries, all kinds of stuff for the weekend, pre-made salads. And we're gonna stay home tonight, chill and have a house party. These girls are wild. I'm making me a drink over here. I have some coconut, some of this syrup coconut, and I'm just gonna mix it with this pineapple. It's so nice with the, oops, okay, come to me. So nice with the pineapple. Just gonna get some crushed ice. Just got my hair freshly cut by my girlfriend, and I slick it down with some mousse and just do a little something on the side. Nothing too serious, but that's what we got going on. I'm already in my PJs because it's gonna be a house party tonight. We ain't going outside tonight. Tomorrow night we're gonna be outside, but we went to the beach and we drove here, so we're kind of tired, so we're just gonna be inside for tonight, trying to clean up this pineapple juice that I spilled.
Blessings, lots of health, and great.
Please.
Shannon's the cameraman.
Never see coming, and the next thing you know, unconditional love, unconditional love. She ain't looking for no time. Going to see Barbie movie. It's a pink affair. It's a Barbie girl in my Barbie world. That's that. Found a parking spot, so now I'm about to go in, see if I can get a ticket. It's like 2:30 something. I think the movie started at 2:15, but you know, all the commercials and all of that crap. So now I'm gonna go in, get me a ticket. Hope it's not too late. But that's me. I can't really see me too good, but yeah, that's me. Maybe a little better here. Maybe. Hello. I'm here to see the Barbie movie.
210?
Mm-hmm.
How many?
What's one person?
Where would you like to sit, madam? That'll be the screen up top. Gray's available.
In the back. Oh, all right here.
Yep, Gray's available. X is not. That's the screen. Huh?
Large popcorn because it's my birthday. Let us purchase the soda to go with it. So now we're gonna go see the Barbie. So, if you're looking to gain weight naturally, avocado is high in fat. You can make avocado shake with milk if you're lactose intolerant and you can't digest milk, which a lot of people are. You can use coconut water. You have organic coconut water. Walmart, Publix, every grocery store. I forgot the name of the brand that I use when I don't want to use the milk. Good old patty and cocoa bread there. unfrozen.
Heavy. What?
When your mother come with the good stuff, cheese. Look at the cheese in the fridge. Oh, you can't. What is that? Mountain Peak coffee.
Yeah, what the fuck are you people that is freezer? Oh, the fish really nice.
Good fish, parrot. It's a goat fish. Butterfish. Them fish are sweet, you know, so when they fry or steam. Yeah. More fish. Ah, how can I bread this? Time and patience. Time and patience. Put our gula. Regal, mash up. So again, what's the name again? Gizzard. Drops. I have patience. Gula. All kind of plantain. Bone. Regal. Special cream. Bone. No, coconut drops. Gizzard or puff, whatever you call it. We have sour stuff leaf. A patty over here, so. Well, Jamaica, when your mother come up with the good things, then. One bag of Maggie. Eh? Nobody like Mama. Mama is here. Jamaican cheese. So, my mom is here from Jamaica. Jamaica. Mommy, where's KFC there? Okay. We got fish for days, okay? Fish for days. Okay. We have over here we have patties. I marked the one that have cheese. So some roast breadfruit. No barbecue. Oh wow. Okay. Bro. Yeah, me I go look. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah, me hear you. Patty me I look for. I wonder which patty me fit. If we eat patty now or KFC. But we got patty. This is a cheese patty. These the regular beef ones. Got breadfruit. We can't come from Jamaica without breadfruit. And the fish them. And all of that. So yeah. As I said, it's up here. So we got some KFC here. So she didn't get no barbecue. So just have regular. So I'm gonna eat. Thinking of either should eat chicken or should have a cheese patty. I think I'm gonna have a cheese patty instead. Yeah. But KFC tempting, but no cheese patty. We have a can of cheese. Have some dirty girl and good old red stripe. So I changed my mind. I'm gonna have some cheese patty. I labeled them as cheese. So yeah, gonna pop it on the plate. Pop it in the microwave for a quick. So I popped it in the microwave 4 minutes because it's frozen. So I think 4 minutes will do the trick. I'll come back and check on that. So good old cheese patty is ready, fresh from the microwave. The morning breakfast when Mama is around. Yeah, nobody like Mama. I'm gonna get up early and make the Sunday morning breakfast. I love it here. Just sitting out here, chilling. Pool water look nice. Think I'm gonna take a swim early before the sun come up. Because when the sun come up, oh Lord, they had like a 10 fireside. It's Sunday morning. Yeah, so I'm gonna chill on the pool today. Hopefully I can convince my mom to get in there with me today. We go see how that works, because neither of us can swim. So we go see how that works for today.